Could be a true 101 here. I hope it is. Alright, brother, let's go. Guaranteed 101. Alright, here we go, Anthony. Good luck, brother. Oh, look, there's a steamboat right here. You see him? I didn't even see him on the packs. Here, 1 of 3, Will Howard. Here we go on the next one. For real, Aiden spent all his allowance, savings, everything he possibly has, bro, on that pool. Here we go. 101 here. Steve Young 101. Let's go. Legend. Alright, let's see what we got here, baby. We could get another 101. We saw it in the last box. You never know it. Oh my god, brother. True 101 right there. I don't know if you saw the name, but true 101. True 101 right there. Alright, we're sweating the truth. 4 of 8, Jalen Gabriel on the rainbow. Dude, these things are juice. Holy. I'm getting more right now after this stream. Five of 5 here. Jalen Milroe on the black. That looks beautiful there. Alright, here we go on the true. True 101. Riley Leonard. Damn, that's a beautiful card. Wow.